Mnangagwa Relaunches, Green Bombers, Youth Service Program in full force. The 14th of August 2025. By a correspondent, Harare, the government has intensified the rollout of the youth service in Zimbabwe, YSZ, program, with 1,879 young people currently undergoing training at centers across the country. The move marks a full-scale return of the controversial youth program, often dubbed the Green Bombers, which was relaunched in May last year by President Emerson Mnangagwa. According to the Ministry of Youth Empowerment, Development and Vocational Training, training is underway at Dadya in Zivishavain, Vumba in Mutare, and Guyu in Gwanda. The current cohort follows last year's intake of 1,077 trainees, all of whom have since graduated. Permanent Secretary Mr. Solomon M.H. Langa said the program is open to all Zimbabweans aged 18 to 35, including persons with disabilities, and aims for gender balance and fair regional representation. We expect graduates to be disciplined, patriotic citizens who shun risky behaviors like drug abuse and corruption, and who actively contribute to national development, said M.H. Langa. The government has set ambitious expansion targets, with plans to establish at least one training center per province, accommodating 10,000 trainees per intake and 20,000 annually. The YSZ curriculum blends national orientation, civic education, disaster management, gender issues, physical training, and anti-corruption principles, alongside entrepreneurship, agriculture, and ICT skills. However, the program's revival has stirred mixed reactions. Similar youth service initiatives in the early 2000s were linked to intimidation of opposition supporters during elections, prompting concerns over its potential political use. Follow for more updates on Zimbabwe's national youth programs and political developments.